What up, guys? So today we're gonna open up these two Mega Evolution ETBs, and hopefully we get something good. So I get started with this bad boy first. Open this guy up and see. Listen to us a little bit. There's not a lot of room here. We'll open it up. See what we get. Because with the player's guide, I'm gonna look at that. I'll probably look at it after. And we got this new setup tray for the ETVs. And the freaking promo. I was actually excited for this promo. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. And we get our packs here. Straight to the packs. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's start with this guy first. Oh my goodness. Trompas. Okay. Got an EX here. Our first EX. Put it right there. Uno EX. Uno EX. Let me know if you guys been opening any Mega.
Boy, you're nosy. You gotta turn on all fast, huh?
Tell him yeah. Yes, I do. Tell him yes, I do. A lieutenant. That's it. Got a lieutenant. This kind of looks like a cartoon, huh? It's like a cartoon, kind of. But let's leave it up. Let's leave it up.
No, that's what you were doing. Trying to get more kisses, huh?
2 hits already. 2 hits. 2 hitters.
Relax, relax.
Oh, picked up an extra one there. El Powerade. The beach. Hey, look at that. She. Okay. Nice. Nice. And we still got how many packs? Got 4 more. We still got this ETB too. Hopefully we get more bangers. More bangers, guys. Hey. Where are the heaters? Ladies.
No.
Or shadow.
I don't even remember putting this right here.
Another EX. Let's go second EX. Second EX. Right there. Let's go. 2 more packs. 2 more. 2 more. 2 more. 2 more packs. One more. Uno. Alright. Alright, now let's open this guy. Shout out to the boy Jose. We get some bangers. Some sleeves. Promo card. Like a Zam. Packs. Check out the coin. And the packs. 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 packs. Nine paquetes. Hey, power up. Nothing on the first. Nothing on the first. Let's see second. That's what we got on the second pack. Before we get anything good. Nada. Why did I open the pack like all crazy like that? Hey, chill. Adios, my shadow. Shh. Okay. Not good. Newbies, Latios, Solrock. Our first trainer card, Buddy Buffin. We'll leave the Bolillo. Bolillo. Took a few packs on this one. Sure. Release determination. El Trompas. A la casa. And nothing after that. We got pretty lucky. Cute. Risky Ruins. Okay. Snow. What's it? Got 3 packs left. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Pokemon Center Lady. Brontosaurus. EX, okay. Come on, let's get some heat. Let's get some heat. I'm not gonna sleep that one yet. I know I'm gonna get some heat right now. Go get some heat right now, brother. The last pack. Some heat. Some heaty. Some heaty. Dang, that's it. This was not a good box. First one came in clutch. This one's a lot. Got the Bolillo. So, let's see the hits. This one, EX, Bolillo, this guy. So, first box hits was way better. Got this bad boy, EX. That's a promo. EX, and this trainer. So, till next time, later.